नमस्कार। आशा करता हूं इस लॉकडाउन में आप स्वस्थ भी हैं और सुरक्षित भी। लॉकडाउन लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम भगवत गीता के 8वें चरण में आपका स्वागत है। आज भगवान श्री कृष्ण हमको अर्जुन के थ्रू ये बता रहे हैं कि देयर आर 5 थिंग्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड टू परफॉर्म एनी एक्शन और एक्टिविटी. So he says in the first shlok, when he is explaining what are the 5 things which are required, adhishthanam tatha karta karanam cha pruthak vidham vividhascha pruthak cheshtaha daivam chaivatra panchamam. So he says to perform any action or activity there are 5 things which are required. First is adhishthan. Adhishthanam tatha karta. Adhishthan is the body. Or in our parlance, you can also call it the abode, you can also call it the address, you can also call it the establishment. Tatha karta. Karta is the doer who is going to enact this. So he is the actor also. So he is the doer. Adhishtanam tatha karta karanam cha pruthak vidham. Karanan are our sense organs or the awareness that we have about things. Vividhascha pruthak cheshtaha. All the different kind of activities that we do. Daivam chaivatra panchamam. And the 5th factor is the Daivam. So let's look at how it translates into our parlance. So let's take an example of any organization. So every organization will have an office or a factory or an establishment. So that is called the Adhishthan. And it will have employees who are performing their own duties or the roles which have been defined in the job description. So that is called, they are called the karta of the organization. Karanan are the sense organs. So the different departments of an organization, for example, there is a finance department, there is a marketing department, there is a sales department, there is a HR department, there is a commercial department. So all these departments become the sense organ of an organization, and different activities are being done by the people who are engaged in all these functions, and all the action and activity that everyone is doing. Someone who is belonging to a particular department, he is working towards the departmental goal as per his job description, and everyone put together are working towards that mission and the vision statement of the organization. However, all of them working together, everything remaining the same, the result is not in anyone's hand. And there is a 5th factor that plays, and that 5th factor is said the Daivam. Now Daivam, you can call it the luck, you can call it the grace, you can call it the Almighty, you can call it the God, you can call it the power beyond you, you can call it nature. So whatever you can call it, there is one force which is not in our control, which is the fact which is called as Daivam. And in corporate parlance we also say control the controllables. So we work only on the factors which we or I as an individual am able to control or am able to effect or am able to give shape. And that's why it is said that we should work on our input matrix, because output to mere haath mein hai hi nahi. Output is not in my hands. And then he continues to say in another shlok, and he says that, see, in any let's take one example, that any organization which is a sales organization, they are selling the same product, they are selling the product through people, through at a particular place, with some price, with a packaging, in a particular set of outlets, to a particular set of people, isn't it? So any organization that has the same product, the same people, the same price, the same promotion, selling in the same place, selling it to the same people, sale of 2 months, is it the same? 2 months sales are not same. So everything remaining same, the output is never the same. And that's Daivam. And that has to be respected in whatever we plan. And that is why it is said that we should always have a plan B or a plan C in place. So I heard a video which says we should not have a plan B. Yes, we should not have. Otherwise, there is a dilution in plan A which we are doing. However, we have to always have a backup in mind. And then he goes on to say, Sharir Vang Mano Bhiryata Karma Prarabhate Naraha Nyayam Va Viparitam Va Panchaite Tasya Hetavaha. And he says that any action that anyone does through Sharir Vak Manaha. Sharir is the body, Vak is through our speech, and Manaha is through our mind or the intellect. Any action or activity which is done through these depends on whether it is Nyayam Va Viparitam Va, whether it is legal or illegal, whether it is right or wrong, whether it is noble, ignoble, whether it is righteous, it is not righteous. Sharir Nyayam Va Viparitam Va Panchaite Tasya Hetavaha. All the 5 factors will come into play as far as the result is concerned. And hence it is said, or we or I should be more concerned on what I am giving as my input rather than looking at the output, which is not in my hand. And that is where I need to understand. And to do that, what all I need to do? First I have to know what is right and what is wrong. The choice is yours. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and more importantly, stay home.